Peace divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And I miss my divines. I haven't seen my divines in a while. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. Okay, so this juice is blueberries, strawberries, the beets, and the beet greens. Okay, and I probably made this juice before, maybe not, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the soft ingredients first. I'm going to take some of the blueberries. I'm going to take some of these lovely beet greens because they're nice and soft. Okay, and I'm going to take some of these strawberries, a handful of strawberries, 4 beets. My hands are nice and red. Love to put it on my lips. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to juice this up. Okay, so we're going to try it. It's very rich and has a lot of zing to it. But it's good, definitely. If you love juices, you love this. So as always, I want to thank my divines for spending time with me. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bottle up these juices and put them in the refrigerator and continue to enjoy the rest of my weekend. And I want you to continue to do the same. And as always, continue to be blessed. Continue to be abundantly blessed. Continue to honor yourself. Peace divine.